Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to locate your Looker instance URL in under 5 minutes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, knowing how to find this URL is essential for sharing your data and collaborating with your team. Let's get started and simplify this process for you. Begin by visiting the Looker Studio website at lookers2dio.google.com. Once the page opens, click the Use It for Free button. This serves as your entry point to the platform and the first step in finding your URL. Next, provide the email address linked to your Google or Looker account to ensure proper access. After entering your email, type your password into the designated field and hit the Login button to access your account. After logging in, head to the Looker Studio home screen. You can use the home link or simply stay on the main dashboard. From here, choose the specific file you want to work with. Once the file is open, locate and click the Share icon, which appears as a drop-down arrow. This menu contains several options for managing report access. Select Get Report Link, and then click on Get a link to this report. Looker Studio will then produce a unique URL specifically for that report. You can now share this link with colleagues or clients to give them direct access to your findings. It is a simple process once you understand the workflow. Before finishing, remember to verify that you are logged into the correct account to avoid access errors. Also, take a moment to review your sharing permissions to control who can view or edit the document. That covers everything you need to find your Looker instance URL efficiently. Sharing your reports securely is vital for teamwork, and these steps ensure your data reaches the right people. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps your analysis. Feel free to revisit any step if you need more clarity, and happy analyzing.